Hey guys, today we're here with Anna and Lana, and today we're here with my mom. Be sure to check out her channel,
Jeniffergina.
And today we will be making some crystal jewelry.
The toy is called Niverse.
But I got it for my birthday, but I wanted to share it with y'all guys, so I didn't start it already. So yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so it looks like we have some glue and coloring, some chains, some stuff to put the stuff on there.
We have
and
the mix.
Yeah, aluminum powder. Not a food, do not eat. Yeah. Eye and skin irritant. Okay. And avoid contact with eyes and skin directly. So I think we may need some gloves. So we'll be right back.
Yeah. So we have to get some gloves because it said don't let this touch your skin or eyes. So.
Yeah. Before I start reading the instructions, it says you got a poster, a cool little poster. So I want to open that up and go ahead and see what that is. And we can show your friends.
Yeah. I like this.
Uh-oh, yeah, so far so good. Okay, that's nice.
I can hang this up in my room.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. That's awesome. Okay, so we'll look at that later.
I'll get this.
Okay. Alright. So instructions. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a little instruction sheet, like so. Oh my goodness, there is 12 steps, guys. Okay, so first it says here's what you'll need: aluminum powder, which is that, your jewelry base, that's that, the color dye, string, chain, craft glue, container, not included. Okay, so Lana will need a container, and then a measuring spoon. We cut that, and we're ready for that. It says select which jewelry base you would like to start with. So
I want the star.
And she chose mine for me, so we're going with the circle. Okay. And then, what else does it say? There are 5 necklace bases and 1 ring base for you to choose from. Once you have selected the base, a little bit of the craft glue onto the surface. Oh, okay. So we're gonna be, where's our craft glue? And then put your glove back on once you do that.
Yeah, because, you know.
Yeah.
I wish these gloves fit.
What color did you want to use today? You might as well go ahead and get that out right now.
I want to use purple and blue. What color do you want to use? Pink?
I guess.
You want to use pink?
Absolutely.
Hey. The worst color. You had to choose.
Kind of left me no option.
I'm kind of offended because the whole thing is pink, but...
Had no option. Okay.
Oh, so I want to smell it.
Don't smell it. No smell, no smell. Okay. Once you have selected the base, a little bit of the craft glue onto the surface. The flat side of the charm should be laying flat on the table, like we have here.
Papa, this is dangerous for you.
For him.
Yeah, because he doesn't have gloves, and what if we drop it and it flies up everywhere?
So then it says to pour this, your aluminum powder, onto your wet glue. So I'm going to go ahead and let you do that.
Yeah! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
And then you just kind of spread it evenly. I think I know what the stick was for.
No, that's not what the stick was for.
Okay.
Okay.
So you just put some there. No. I'm horrible at doing experience. know, it's okay.
Experience.
It's okay. It looks just about right. It should match to our image of C right here. So we put the glue on there already. Then you put the aluminum on there and then you pat it down so it looks like C. So then I'm gonna do mine now. Honestly, I think I'm gonna stop there with the glue, and I hope this comes off. I better use this, and I might spread it on there. Oh gosh, I feel like this is. I'm trying to save
This is permanent glue, so don't get it on you, mommy. Don't get it on.
Okay, and then now I'm just putting my aluminum on there.
The glue is there to keep the aluminum on.
Yeah. Ooh, I see why you were nervous.
That's why I poured some on the side.
Okay, I think that's probably a lot. Probably not that much, guys. But I'm gonna use my spoon.
Too much.
Maybe just a little bit too much, but you know, I mean,
A little bit. You made a whole mountain. Guys, comment down below. Is a whole mountain a little bit? Is a whole mountain? Oh, and please do this with parents because I don't want you getting in trouble or burning yourself or getting that stuff in your eye.
yeah, and wear gloves.
Yeah. Wear gloves, or if you have like a face protection, just wear something, you know. But we don't have it, so that's why I'm
Okay,
trying
guys.
to stop it.
So apparently this is it for today. We're gonna have to continue filming tomorrow because it says to let your charm sit for 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, we're back. We have to wait for 24 hours so these could turn into the crystals. Yeah. So we're gonna take them out and let them dry, and then we'll be back with y'all guys, and we'll start coloring them with the. We'll start coloring them
With the colors.
and we'll also get our chains and stuff ready.
Nice. That looks pretty cool.
I want to. Can I touch this?
No. We gotta let it dry completely.
No, I need that.
No. Okay, and then here's the one Lana gave me. Mine doesn't look as pretty. Looks a little sad. Yeah. That's not as cute, you know. But it was my first time. Lana's first time too, you know. I like yours better, Lana.
Thank you.
We back. Okay, so now that we let it sit and dry outside of the solution, the instructions call for cutting it, untying it, and putting her dyes on it. And then we gotta let that dry.
Oh, and by the way, it took me a long time to figure out how to say that, guys.
3 cuts, guys. Okay, so I'll let you go first.
Okay.
So,
What type of knot did y'all leave here? I
well, look, you can just slide it off the pencil.
Really?
Yeah. Very crystally. And so
Can
this
I-
is gonna be your problem.
This is what mine looks like.
Dang, she got hers off the string already? I'm still struggling.
So I'm going to show you all the colors since she's still working on taking hers off. So we have pink.
The shade.
I'm going to tell y'all, me and my mom, I don't, not my mom, I don't really like, I don't really like the color pink. No offense for the people that do, it's just, it's not my color.
Offense taken.
Mommy. And we have purple. I love purple actually. No. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought my shirt was pink for a second. Okay, and we have blue. I was trying to make sure I wasn't wearing pink, cause probably in the comments you all would have been, I bet one of y'all would have said, but you're wearing pink right now.
Finally got mine out. Alright, so what color are you gonna use, Lana?
I'm using purple and blue.
Ooh, so pretty.
Okay, so now that we put all the coloring, we're gonna let it sit, and when it's done drying, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay guys, we're back and it's done drying, so here you go. Look at it real quick. So after we let the crystal dry, the color is done, and we took off all this clumps over here of the big crystal. Okay, so guys, this is what the necklace looks like. You're a hoot backwards in the comments. Whoever says it right, I'm good. Y'all can, if y'all have a Nintendo Switch, if you have a Nintendo Switch like me, then you go on the Nintendo Switch. If you see Lana Evil or Energetic Lana on there, what you're gonna do is you are going to click on that. So whenever I'm playing Fortnite, you can go on there, and if you see me on one of the games, then you can send me a friend request and I can add you as my friend on Fortnite. And I have a speaker so I can talk to you. And then you can play Fortnite with me. So yeah.